Hello children, concept time 3. Verb tense. What is a verb tense? You know what is a verb. Verbs are words that show an action or state of being. For example, walk, think and write are all verbs. What are verb tenses? Verb tenses tell us about the time of action or state of being. There are 3 basic tenses: past, present, future. Okay, we will understand about this simple form with the help of examples. Verbs sometimes only link the subject with the adjective or noun that describes it. These are, sometimes it is only linking. So it is called linking verbs. Am, is, was, are, were, all are linking verbs. Snakes are poisonous. She is happy. That is linking. Simple tense. Simple past tense refers to an action that has taken place already, happened in the past or past state of being. Simple present refers to an action that happens regularly or a present state of being. Simple future refers to an action that will happen in the future or future state of being. Simple past tense: I rescued a stray dog last month. Simple present: the dog eats biscuits daily. I will take the dogs to vet tomorrow. That is future. Simple future tense. What is continuous tense? The continuous tense indicates ongoing actions. Ongoing means now happening. It also called the progressive tense. The past continuous refers to something that was happening at some point in the past, that was happening. The present continuous tense indicates that something is happening at present. Future continuous tense indicates that something will be happening in future and will continue for a particular length of time. So that is past continuous tense. Alisha was eating breakfast in the morning. Alisha is working on her computer right now. Present continuous. At 7 p.m. Alisha will be driving home. That is future. Will be driving. All are ing forms in continuous tense. Okay. Next is perfect tense. Past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. What is past perfect? Refers to an action which is completed before another action in the past. See here. Present perfect refers to an action which was completed in the immediate past, just now. Future perfect tense refers to an action which will be completed between now and some point in the future, or that will be completed before another activity begins. So what is past perfect? Gaurav received an order as soon as he had launched a website for his paintings. Present perfect: Gaurav has just finished his first order. Future perfect: Gaurav will have sold the painting by tomorrow. Has, have, will come. Now let us have a look at the tenses together in the next video.